Okay, we have our head here, and we got the mouth. We've marked here where we have to take this out. We're going to cut this piece off here, and we're going to cut this off here because this is too far, goes too far back into the head. So you want it to be more center on that. So we're going to cut that all out, and then we'll use our 1-inch sander, and we're going to start rounding this down. But we have to cut this part out and this part off so it will go up over top our teeth. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.